from your mistakes. Loving the indica, smoking the indica, hopefully in the car. Yeah, I think it's time to spit some bars. My crew on the trip to success, and we ain't taking a bus. Plus your shit is so hysterical, and your lyrics ain't lyrical. For your music to be the best, that shit gon' need a miracle. Always practice, never rest. That's why I'm reaching my pinnacle. Wearing shades to avoid shade, even though your shit is a spectacle.